Hello friends, Salam Namaste. Myself Dr. Arshiya Anjum. Welcome to Dr. Upas Care. Today I am going to talk about a condition called as Cholelithiasis. In common terms, this is called as gallstones. So nowadays people are suffering from gallstones irrespective of age. So what are gallstones? Gallstones are nothing but they are hardened deposit of the constituents of the gallbladder fluid that is called as bile, and these gallstones are basically developed in the gallbladder. These gallstones which are developed, they vary in different sizes, from as small as a grain of sand to as large as a golf ball. So when we talk about how the gallstones occur, so usually it is seen due to the imbalance in the chemical constituents of the gallbladder fluid, that is bile, which is formed inside the gallbladder. And these gallstones are basically composed of cholesterol, bilirubin, calcium salts and small amount of protein. When we say this gallstones that has occurred, most of the gallstones, they are asymptomatic in nature. That means they do not cause any harm. That around 80% of gallstones which are formed in the body, they do not cause any harm. They are like harmless type of gallstones. But the remaining or the symptomatic gallstones which arises in the body, they elicit a series of specific pattern of pain which occurs in the body, which is steady, severe and which is episodic, and it is located in the upper part of the abdomen and it lasts more than 30 minutes. These gallstones, when they are developed inside the human body, they usually result in a very serious or very severe kind of pain, and most of the pain which occurs due to the gallstone, it arises during the night time, associated with nausea, vomiting, and the pain also radiates to the back region of the body. When we say how this gallstone has occurred or what are the causes that results in development of gallstone, that is basically, or you can say most of the time, it is due to improper lifestyle. If a person consumes high refined sugars followed by increased consumption of animal products, low dietary fiber intake and low vegetable protein diet, if they follow this kind of lifestyle, they are more prone in developing the gallstones. The other causes are stress, obesity, hormonal therapy, certain metabolic disturbances or disorders, then consumption of antibiotics and so on. So these are the causes that results in development of gallstones. When a person is suffering from gallstones, what are the signs and symptoms that can be seen? So the first sign and symptoms that is observed is severe abdominal pain, or it is also called as severe colic pain, which lasts to more than 1 to 5 hours. Even along with that, they'll be suffering from fever, not only that, loss of appetite, tachycardia, that is increased heart rate, followed by the other signs and symptoms which we see is disturbed mental state and so on. Now the next part of my video is regarding the treatment aspect. When we talk about treating gallstones, so we usually recommend to follow a naturopathic therapy, or you can say natural therapy, which is very much useful in treating or preventing gallstones. And when we talk about natural ways, so they mainly aim at preventing gallstones rather than the reversal. So the first aspect of my treatment is the fasting therapy. So fasting for up to 4 to 6 days, it helps in treating the development of cholesterol in the body and also prevents the proportion of cholesterol in the gallbladder. Along with that, it helps in treating gallstones completely. Next, coming to the diet therapy. So usually a person who is following a high fiber diet, along with that vegetarian diet, that is high rich vegetarian protein diet, vitamin C rich foods, and reducing refined sugars, animal products, it's a very much useful dietetic therapy for treating gallstones. Coming to the hydrotherapeutic treatments. So the commonly prescribed best treatment for gallstone reversal is following gastrohepatic packs, that is a hot fermentation on the umbilicus followed by a cold compress to the lumbar region helps in relieving inflammation which is caused by the gallstones. Next hydrotherapy treatment which is very much recommended is cold water enema. It helps in treating the symptoms like pain, constipation and sluggishness which is caused due to the development of gallstones. Lastly, the other hydrotherapeutic treatment which I recommend is cold hip bath and neutral hip bath. It is scientifically proven that cold hip bath and neutral hip bath helps in treating the symptomatic and asymptomatic gallstones and helps in reversing the condition completely. I hope you liked my video. So please like, share and subscribe, and see you all in my next video. Thank you.